is Rasit Ismail. Today I am a firefighter. I am a real hero. We keep people safe from fire emergency. We are always ready to help. When there is a fire emergency, I wear a special uniform with thick jacket and pant, big boots and a helmet that keep us safe from fire emergency. I am riding a red fire truck when there is a fire emergency with loud sirens and flashlight. My truck carry lots of water to put out fire. Friends, please follow fire safety rules. Never play with matches or lighters. They are not toys. Follow stop, drop and roll technique. If your cloth ever catches fire, my team is always available at all time of any emergency. I am always proud to say that I am firefighter. I love this job and I am ready to help people. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Dr. Raksha. I wear a white coat. I work in hospital. My duty is to treat sick people. I use stethoscope to check the heartbeat of patient. I give medicine to cure illness. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Das Ahmed. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Das Ahmed. I am a farmer. I live in a hut. I grow crops to produce food for the nation. I plough the land, sow the seeds. I cultivate various crops like fruits, pulses, vegetables, grains, etc. Thank you.